Nasiol MetalCoat Quick Nano Protection protects your vehicle's body shell from environmental damage and applied on every sector of the car with the shown sequence. Your car should be prepared accordingly and free of any dust, dirt, oil, and should be totally dry. Apply the product in a closed space. Before applying the product, clean the surface with Nasio Clean to increase bonding performance and make sure there is no minor dirt or residue. Spray the product on the surface and buff immediately with a dry microfiber cloth. Apply circular movements and gentle amounts of pressure while buffing. Fold the cloth in order to obtain 8 sides and use every side of the microfiber for best results. Be sure that you do not miss any spots. Apply to each panel step by step and finish the job. All application steps are completed in approximately just 30 minutes. One layer of coating is enough to ensure durability. If desired, a second layer can be applied after all of your application is finished. Wait for 24 hours, protecting the car from wax, stains, rain, and washing. MetalCoat is durable up to 1 year and provides long-lasting gloss. Nasio. Love and protect the original.